Hello from Hengehold Trucks. You are looking at a 2021 Ford F550 with 31,938 miles. If this one does nothing for you, check your pulse. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include a 6.7-liter diesel engine, an 11-foot marathon dump body, a Rugby hoist, a roll-out tarp, electronic shift for wheel drive, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 deduction. Businesses have counted on Hengehold Trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.